Hey guys, welcome to my channel and I am Shravya. Today we are going to make Dumka chicken. List of ingredients and quantity required are in the description. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will never miss the notification when a video is uploaded on my channel. Now let's get started. Take a bowl and add salt and ginger garlic paste. Now mix them using your hand. We are going to use our hand in the next step anyway, so why not do it now? Add the chicken to the bowl and mix well so that each and every piece is coated with the paste. Make sure to massage the paste into every piece so that the chicken gets soft by the time we cook. Let the chicken rest for at least half an hour. You can let it sit for some more time if you want. After half an hour, place a non-stick pan on low flame and pour oil in it. If you don't want to use a non-stick pan, you can use whatever pan you want. But you should use double the amount of oil or maybe even more. Add slit green chilies, mint leaves, red chili powder, coriander powder, Kasurimethi powder and mix them. There is no need of letting the oil heat before adding all these ingredients. Saute them until they get aromatic and start adding the remaining ingredients. Curd, cashew paste, fried onions and mix them well. Use only fried onions, do not use raw onions. The taste completely changes if you use raw onions thinking that they are going to get cooked anyway. Now add the marinated chicken and mix it. Top it up with some coriander leaves, close the lid and let it cook for at least half an hour to 40 minutes on low flame. Do not mix or check on it for 30 to 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, open the lid and check if the chicken is cooked. If not, let it cook until it's soft without disturbing or over-mixing it. Don't add any water. Adding water completely changes the texture and taste of the curry. Make sure the flame is on low throughout the cooking time. If the flame is high or even on medium, the cashew paste is going to stick to the bottom or gets burnt, spoiling our effort. So be careful. If the chicken is cooked completely, your Dumka chicken is ready. The dish goes well with rotis, naans and chapatis. Try this recipe and let me know how it tasted in the comment section. Take a picture of the dish and tag me on Instagram. If you have any suggestions or video requests, you can write in the comment section or tweet it. All my social media links are in the description. Thank you for tuning into this channel and watching my video till then. See you in the next video. Bye bye.